how to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. So if you want to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Gmail. After opening your Gmail, if you go with the compose section, then here on the bottom, once you type something, like for example, if I type something, then as you can see that I have some suggested emails. So you'll also see some suggested emails. If you type something, then it will be visible right here. To delete it, simply tap on the 3 vertical dots, which will be in the top right, and tap on add from contacts option, which is on the second. After that, you will have a contacts and data box. What you'll need to do is just simply go back, go with your profile, and then tap on manage your Google account. Now once you get this kind of interface, you need to go with search, which is on the top right, and then search for contacts. Tap on the contacts option, which is on the second. Now once you tap on contacts, make sure to delete the contacts that you've saved on Google. Once you delete the contacts saved on Google, those contacts won't be suggested in Gmail anymore. So yes, that's how you can stop certain contacts from being suggested in Gmail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.